Lights, camera, action. That's not just a call on set. It's how my journey began at SGT University. Hi, I'm Mohit Yadav. Today I'm working independently as a director of photography. I'm doing projects for channels like History TV18 and National Geographic India. But the initial script of my career started here in the classrooms and studios of SGT University. From capturing the perfect frame in photography to slicing stories in editing room, SGT gave me more than just a degree, it gave me a direction. As a journalism student, you are not just trained, you are transformed. You think bigger, bolder, more creatively. And that creative spark, it was ignited right here at SGT University. Today, with over 6 years in production industry, every frame I shoot and every story I tell carries a piece of SGT with me. So thank you SGT University for not just teaching me the craft, but for making me fall in love with storytelling.